It's 95 degrees for the next 3 days, so I have to go to the beach. And there is no way to get to the beach from here unless you drive. So I'm going to Debbie's, and we're gonna drive to Atlantic City together. Woohoo! Always like one little, we're going to the beach. Hey, annoying, sticking. We're going to the beach. Hey. Crazy lady at the lobby. Wait, so hold on. So I have to walk around with 2 glasses because I can't wear contacts today. But you just said you're wearing what?
2 belts.
You're wearing 2 belts. How did that happen?
I forgot that I had this on. So and then once I realized that I had 2 belts on, I didn't feel like taking it all off.
That's the funniest thing. I mean, what's happening here? Nobody's dancing. I came because I heard the music. I want to party. But this doesn't feel like nobody else is dancing. Am I going to dance by myself like an idiot?
If you go out there and start dancing, somebody going to end up dancing.
Somebody, yeah.
You got to be one person with a dream. All right, let me go in. I see 2 drunk girls dancing. Those are my people. I'm going to go dance.
Fucked up, yo.
Oh! Here we go now. Hey, we started the party. We started it. Real cool for me. Got me thinking, what is it you do for me? Tripping, I know the one that I should be. So let yourself go and get right with me.
I'm gonna throw away the stereo. Just went viral.